Friends, in this lecture we will learn NPV, net present value. Net present value gives us the current value of the series of investments or inflow or cash outflow over a regulated time period. So let us try to understand. We are having three examples here. In this first example, the discounted rate is 6%. We'll write down 6% here. Then initial outflow, it says 20k, so we'll write down minus 20,000 here. Then in the next 3 years, it yields 6,000. 6,000, that is the inflow, cash inflow. Then 21,000 and then 33,000. Now what happened? Let us calculate the net cash flow is equal to the sum of all these values, all these four values, and it seems that there is a profit of 40,000. We have to calculate in terms of time value of money what is the value today. So we'll make use of NPV function here. We'll write equal to NPV bracket open. We'll select our rate, put a comma, and select the three values. We'll not include the current value minus 20,000. We'll just see the net present value of the three cash inflows in terms of today. What is the value today? And that comes out to be 52,000. And we'll see the net profitability. We make it this thing equal to 52, and we add it to the cash outflow that is going to happen today. And in here now we came to know that the net profit is in today's term is 32,000, whereas if we go by net cash flow, it seems it is 40,000. So correct answer is 32. Let us see another one, NPV2, another example here. There are two investment 1 and investment 2. In these two investments, what we find out that in the first case, the investment requires cash outflow of 10,000 today, whereas the other investment requires cash outflow of 6,000 today. And cash investment 1 tells us that there is a cash outflow of 14,000 2 years from now, and we will earn a cash inflow of 24,000 next year, like this, right? In the second investment, cash flow of 1,000 2 years from now, 1,000 2 years from now, and investment 2 again yields 8,000 inwards in the first year from 1 year from now. So let us calculate the net cash flow. We'll make here alt and press equal to twice to calculate the sum. So in this investments, it seems that the investment 1 is yielding out no profit or loss, whereas the investment 2 yields out a profit of 1,000 rupees. So let us calculate the net present value of these investments in terms of today and find out if investment 1 is more profitable or investment 2 is profitable. Discount rate is given as 9% for us. Let us calculate for first investment. We write down equal to, and we'll have the first value and have a plus sign, and we add it to the present value of the two investments. We have NPV and the rate is 9%. We make a comma and select the NPV for the two investments of 1 and 2, inflows of year 1 and year 2, and it yields that in today's terms the value is around $234. And in the second case, we'll see this, we'll add our 6,000 rupees, that is cash outflow, and calculate the net present value of the other two investments, that is a cash inflow and outflow for 2 years of time for a 9% rate here. And when we select these two values, it results in 497 rupees. So it seems that our second investment is quite profitable rather than the first investment. Now let us see the third NPV3, third case R. It says that initial investment of rupees 2,000 is required. So we'll put up here minus 2,000. After that, say 200 yield is expected for next 12 months. So every month we will get 200 of amount. I'll write down 200 here and drag it down till here. So let us see the net cash flow here. We'll have alt plus plus. We'll write down summation of all and this. So it seems net cash flow is 400, but let us see the time value of money. In the terms of time value, we have to calculate NPV. So monthly rate here is equal to this 24 is the annual rate divided by 12. It comes out to be 2% per month. So let us have the present NPV. We'll write down equal to NPV bracket open, and our rate is 2% here. We'll put a comma here and we'll select our yield of 200 rupees for the 12 months, bracket close and enter. And the present value is 2115. Cash outflow in the beginning was minus 2000. So our net profit and loss is, we'll add the two, it is 115 rupees in terms of today. So we have seen that in real terms net cash flow here is 400, but in terms of time value of money, we calculate the NPV and finds out that our real profit is around 115 rupees.